Yeah. Let's go. Come on. Everybody get your hands up. We got the VICTORY.
Volunteer orientation, Sunday, November the 15th. The Victory in Christ Bible Training Center is expanding its staff to better serve you. We are recruiting new instructors to teach our anointed courses. We are asking all current and former BTC students interested in teaching the Bible Training Center to contact the director, Tanisha McKendrick, for more information on how to qualify. Victory partners and friends, we will have our baby dedication service on Sunday, November the 22nd during our 11:30 a.m. worship service. Tell your family and friends and children's godparents to celebrate you as you dedicate your children back to God. The deadline to register is Sunday, November the 15th.
Need a refresher? Missed a message? New to Victory? Then come to the Kingdom Corner Store right in the lobby. See you after service.
You love God. What's wrong with you?
It's time to celebrate our 15-year anniversary, a night at the V Oscars. You are cordially invited to a red carpet black tie affair celebrating VICCC's 15th church anniversary. We want to be sure that we mark this awards ceremony with the recognition worthy of such a milestone. Come enjoy a night of elegance and entertainment as we will be honoring all of our serving partners, in addition to the individuals that helped pave the way from the conception of Victory. Our grand event will be held on Friday, November the 20th from 7 to 11 p.m. at the Mansion. Mark your calendars for Friday, December the 4th for a night especially for you, ready to reach a night in the Word. This night is especially for you to feast upon the Word that God has given for His women. The time is from 7 to 9 p.m. Come thirsty, for you will be filled. Invite your family and friends. This event is totally free. For more information, please contact Lisa Little at vwv@victoryinchrist.cc. Come join us and bring your unsaved and unchurched family and friends for our Family and Friends Day on Sunday, November the 29th for both of our 9 a.m. and 11:30 a.m. services and every fifth Sunday thereafter. We will be giving away a $100 gift card to the person who brings the most visitors this day. So don't miss this opportunity to help someone special to you to learn how to reign to reach in their life. For more information on any of these events, feel free to look at your bulletin or check us out on our website at www.victoryinchrist.cc. Be blessed by the remainder of the service.
I just feel big, not as an overweight. I'm like a soldier king, ready for the overthrow.